Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you eBay how to delete recently viewed items. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete recently viewed items on eBay, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up the eBay application or open up your browser and go to the eBay.com and sign in if needed. Then once you are there, what you need to do is simply go to the recently viewed items. You can simply tap on my eBay account, and here you'll find an option that says recently viewed. Simply select that, and now once you're inside here, in order to clear it, simply tap on the three dot icon, and then you'll find an option that says delete from recently viewed. Select it, and the selected product will be removed from your recently viewed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.